Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Behind me is my freshly done 996 911. We just got it wrapped up, and the goal was to get it done for my birthday. Well, my birthday is today, and it's done. Let's get into today's video. So first, I want to start off by giving a huge thank you to my boy Jay and Jeff over there at the Pad 1 for getting this thing running flawlessly. Also installing a new pair of coilovers, brakes, and just getting this thing dialed in, because it is a little bit of older car, but still very low mileage for the year of the car. 96,000 to date, but it runs amazing, performs flawlessly. Very, very happy with my whole experience. Me owning a shop pretty much my whole life, I've never really taken my car anywhere else, but helping support Jay, which has been a long-time client that turns friend, that turned family. When he and the boys opened the Pad 1, that's more of a Porsche specialty shop. They were able to take my car in and get it all dialed in. Again, installing the coilovers and so on and so forth. The brakes, you know, all the maintenance and stuff like that. It turned out great. What's up, Jay? There it is. Oscar. There it is, guys.
Hey guys, it's the guy from Rejuvenated Rides.
Jay got you over here working like a slave or what?
Doing my thing.
Nobody knows that I have this, so this is new to the ride. I know you got a lot of Porsches. You've owned a lot of Porsches.
Yeah, mine are in salvage title.
You know me. You know everything. Hey, that's how I like them. Salvage title, high mileage. That's how I roll, bro. That's how I do. What its needs are, because I'm sure it's not perfect yet, right? It needs a little bit of work still, but let's talk about what you did to it so far.
Oh man, you
Blinker
can't
fluid.
Blinker fluid?
Blinker fluid, flux capacitor upgrade.
Oh, the flux capacitor. Did you tie the transmission like double knotted like I said?
100%. Windshield wipers. We got your winter
Did you get the performance ones?
Yeah, and then we got you winter air.
Winter air?
Yeah, you needed the air. That shit came in flat.
You didn't give me the carbon fiber air?
No, I couldn't afford it.
Oh yeah, that's way beyond my budget.
Misfire, all cylinders.
Misfiring on all cylinders. Nice.
Then
Kind of convinced me to come into the P car world, but you know me, you know I'm all on the budget. I'm not rich like you, dog. You know, but hey,
responsible.
this is my first crack at a Porsche, and it's
This is a good chassis to start with.
Yeah?
It's a 996, a 911 classic, right? You're not gonna go wrong with any 911, to be honest. At least my opinion, right? Some people might have different opinions. I've gone through what? 3, 4 964s, a few 997s, right? 996 is on my list. I mean, he's a 996 owner. He loves it, right, Joe?
996 is first water cooled, but still analog.
nah.
So it's not very, still like, you know, all electric driven, you know, you still get all the feels from the car.
Still got a raw feeling of driving with this car. It's a great car. It's super underrated. I mean, if you're talking value-wise, it's gone up in value, which really doesn't matter. It's a great, beautiful car. It's a classic design. There's a reason Porsche hasn't changed it in years, right? From an old 91 to what's this, 01?
This is the 02.
02,
No,
my
this
bad.
is newer than that.
Newer than that, my bad. My bad. It's a great
Give me a little
car.
credit,
Well,
man.
look, even the 2023 out there. Porsche just makes great designs overall, man.
You know, I've had this car in my possession almost about a full year, and the reason it took so long was sourcing a lot of the parts. What you see behind me is 996.2 GT3 cup bumper, and the only real difference between this and an aero kit, .2 aero kit, is the little vents that are on the top. Also got the lip to go with it. That was through GT Racing. This bumper needed a whole lot of work, a lot more than I expected, but it was a fraction of the price of authentic Porsche bumper. Now looking back, I kind of wish I would have went with the authentic bumper, but nonetheless, the results came out flawlessly. Looks amazing. Moving on to the side skirts, we went on with the .2 GT3 side skirt or aero kit side skirts. Those flow flawlessly with the front bumper, so I had to change out my .1 side skirts for that. On top of that, we also got a .2 aero kit or GT3 deck lid. Again, this was something that I bought through eBay. Fitment was actually pretty good, but it did need a little bit of work. I think it got damaged through shipping. This came from Latvia, so it was like Parts for the 996 are very, very difficult to find. This is not like a 997 or a 991. These parts are not readily available. You have to search high and low for them. So the car needed a little bit of work. All the boys were able to help me out, get this thing all body work, get it all straightened out, de-trimmed, and got it right into paint. So after it got painted, it was time for the assembly. After it was all assembled, this thing got fully wet sand and polished, and it was looking great. And once the car was pretty much at a point where it was done with the final polish, it was time to turn our sights and interior. And shampooed the interior, extracted all the carpet, removed the rear seating, and got ready to upholster my brand new set of GT3 elephant ear style seats, seat brackets, and then just some side brackets, and got this thing all upholstered, and it came out great with the matching gray exterior with the Pepita or the houndstooth centers. It came out amazing. Very happy with the results. This is what that seat looks like right now. This is what the cushion looked like before, and this is with our new cushion. Damn, that looks sexy, man. I can't wait to get this on the car. So the seat construction is really nothing much to it. Carbon fiber shell, a little bit of foam, and I mean a little bit. Specialty cut to what this looks like with a cover on it. Nothing much. This is what the cover was consistent of, a very cheap vinyl, but I'm sure these are coming from China. But now we have our new centers ready to go compared to the old centers that were on there. We are getting the sides stitched up right now, so we should have this thing all wrapped up by tomorrow, hopefully, both of them. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm liking it, how this thing's come out. Top of that, we have a new steering wheel. Got a Momo steering wheel as well with our NRG adapter. So we'll go ahead and throw that. Get a little bit more race feel. We got race seats, race steering wheel, a little bit smaller steering wheel. So I always like Momo and Porsche together, and it's out of leather. You know, I was debating on doing it gray, but like this gray, like with your hands and stuff like that, especially my hands, I just wash them, they're still dirty. I think black will be a little bit more user friendly. So now we're here. Now it's time to show you guys the final finished product and get to enjoy it. Let's take a look at it all done. To a local Cars and Coffee here at Rancho Santa Fe. Meeting up with a couple of the buddies. I got my P car, my Porsche. So boys bringing out his 964. Possibly my other homie with the 997. So let's go see how this thing like you, and this is what she told you not to worry about. The goal's right here. Shit, this one's clean. Sheesh. Okay, so me and my daughter made it to Cars and Coffee, and we're just gonna look at a couple nice Porsches and what else Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee has to offer. This right here, so nice right here. Sheet dream spec, except for the white interior. That's dope. That's dope. This is dope. That's really dope right there. Sheesh. Freaking race car. Alright, probably the only other 996 here, and it looks like our boy just pulled up, but it's pretty cool. And here we have Jay. Filling up looking clean. Oh, and he brought the pup. What's that, doggy? Car's looking clean, Jay?
Getting there. I want it.
I know what you mean.
No, bro. You can put no, I need to break this car.
And there you have it, fresh off a run at Cars and Coffee over there at Rancho Santa Fe. Car came out amazing. I'm very happy with it. Didn't PPF it right before Cars and Coffee, but luckily no rock chips are to be found. But that's definitely what we're gonna do here now at our spec. Looking at the car, man, I'm very, very happy with it. One thing that this thing is in dire need of is an exhaust system. But other than that, maybe a shifter. I'm not too fond of that shifter. Look at my water bottles. My daughter left that. But I'm very happy with the interior. Besides the rear seat delete that we're gonna do, I might change out the shifter. So that's one thing, and some floor mats. I think Redline has a really nice set of those. Might throw those in there. PPF in the fronts, and at the very last thing that we're gonna have to do is some type of an exhaust system, because this thing being so quiet is very weird when I'm cruising with all the boys and everybody has their loud exhaust, and this thing is quiet as hell, man. It sounds like a Prius next to their cars, but I'm very, very happy with how this thing came out. It's gonna be very hard to let this one go, but as you know, the name of the game is on to the next one. So if you think that you might be interested in this vehicle, once it's all wrapped up, go ahead and shoot me a DM, Dad About Papi, and I'll be able to talk to you guys, talk price, stuff like that. Now, here is the deal. It's for sale, it's not on sale. You guys can see everything that has gone into this. All the bodywork and paints, parts, over $15,000 into this thing. That's just that. Not including a set of GT3 wheels. That's like $2,500. Falcon tires, those were like $1,500. I mean, there's over 20 grand invested into this car right away. So, I mean, I'm not gonna let it go for cheap, but I'm willing to entertain offers if there's serious people interested. I don't have to sell this car. This is just something I built it the way I wanted it because it's for sale until my price is met. I'm very happy to drive this thing and enjoy it and keep messing around with it. And if I don't get what I want, then I'll just throw a supercharger on it and then it'll be done. I don't have to really do much with it. It's fast, it looks clean, great paint job, great interior. It needs nothing. So this is my birthday present to me, and I'll enjoy it until somebody wants to cash me out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the whole process of the 996. I'm sorry it couldn't be done fast enough, man. Some of these parts were definitely hard to get, but next up, a little bit of PPF and I'll be able to enjoy it for the whole summer. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe and notification button because once this thing is sold, we got another build, and I have another build that I've been hoarding to the side that's gonna get some love next. So thank you guys so much. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace.